You will never believe what came in the mail today. I'm so excited. I can't even contain myself. I don't even know. I'm so excited. I don't even know how to. I don't know what to say. Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and today I'm doing a really exciting unboxing. This was a surprise product that Apple gave us out of nowhere, and I'm so excited. I think I'm the most excited person about this device than anyone else on the planet. Stick around and find out exactly what it is. Alright guys, realness. This inside is the 2018 MacBook Pro 15-inch model. That's right, i9 2 terabytes, 15-inch goodness. All right, let's get into this. Let's hope I don't stab myself in the process. What? Well, actually, thanks, Apple. Let's get into the goodies. There it goes. This is it. A brand new 15-inch 2018 i9 MacBook Pro. Goodness and love and everything in between. And we are here and we're going to unbox it for you. And then, right, I know there's all sorts of information and videos and opinions and facts and comparisons. But let me tell you what I do with my MacBook Pro. I edit videos on it. So what we're going to do today, we're going to get it set up. We're going to get it loaded. I'm just going to get Final Cut Pro put on here. I'm going to upload a video, a project to this computer and to this computer. And what's important to me is how quickly can this render a video? That's what I want to show you guys today. We know what a Mac looks like. We know how it operates. It's fabulous. It's amazing. It's beautiful, is what it is. For as much as I hate on Apple, and I can't stand them, or the Apple Store, I get a new MacBook Pro and I'm like, all is forgiven, Timmy. All is forgiven. So here it is. What else do we've got USB-C to USB-C. We've got our adapter, right? And that's it. That's all we're getting. That's all we get inside this guy. I tapped it and it's just going. Just tap this little guy and it is just going like crazy. Alright, not bad for a computer just coming to life for the very first time. Alright, what we're going to do, spend a second, set this up, and then we'll be right back. Now we're going to come over here and we're going to hit next, and what it's going to do is it's going to open up to QuickTime and immediately pops on the screen, so we will know it's done rendering and it's ready to go. All right, guys, this one over here's boom. Look at that. Over here, we're still doing the thing. See that? We're at 82%. So the answer is, does this render quicker on the new i9 with those 32 gigs? That's the question. The answer is yes. Not just a little quicker. It's over here at 91, 92. This thing, it might not seem like a big deal, but this is a big deal to us. The ones using this is a big deal. Now, these are the exact same images, the exact file, but these are different screens. This is True Tone. This is not. This is just straight up Retina. This has the True Tone turned on. That's the difference. You can see it with your eyeballs. And then, of course, back there, here is the actual backdrop. True tone, no true tone. There's a good comparison for you. Here it is. True tone, no true tone. 1 terabyte hard drive, 2 terabyte hard drive, 32 gigs, 16 gigs, i9, i7. There are differences. There, in my opinion, are enough spec bump increases in order to make this device worthwhile. Not to mention, playing on the keyboard and typing, it sounded amazing. There it is. There's the new MacBook Pro. Now, let's move over to the old MacBook Pro. Listen to this difference. Let's see if a difference can even be heard with your ear. Good job, Apple. This was just a quick comparison about some of the key features that make you think, is this device worth getting? Do I need to upgrade? I was running on the 2016 model, totally spec'd out. It was doing its job, but still I felt like I was dragging a little bit. So now, extra processing power, more memory, more storage, I couldn't be happier. Is the heat, the fire, the temperature on this gonna make me not like it? I don't know. I have to use it, put it to real life use, not just put it through as much testing as I can. Basically, that's not how I live my life. I use it to be productive. I can report back to you on how this device is with my everyday productivity, because that's how I'm going to use it. I'm not going to wake up every day and put this device through the gamut. I'm going to wake up, I'm going to use it as I need it, when I need it, as frequently as I need it. If that normal use is causing an issue, then we have a problem. Then the device is going back. Because for a device that was $5,000, it needs to work perfect. As always, For the Love of Tech is doing another giveaway. The giveaway is going to be next October. That means you have plenty of time to get additional entries to the giveaway. Go ahead and share this video on social media, take a screenshot, and then email it to me, Aaron, A-R-O-N, at the number 4 theloveoftech.com. Let me go ahead and get a Roman numerals 931 in the description dash and leave me a comment about your favorite feature of the upgraded 2018 MacBook Pro. For the love of tech, go in your drawers, pull out your old electronics, pull out the stuff that you're not playing with anymore, that's getting dust, charge it up, give it to somebody who's gonna enjoy it, and for the love of tech, namaste. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell and give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Even if you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs up anyways.